Mrs. Dion and Mrs. Robertson's Wonder Project.
In second grade, we learned how to write about science by studying mentor texts. We were able to learn about a new kind of writing called procedural writing. That's where you write step by step. We brainstormed questions about what we wondered, then tested them with an experiment.
In class, we talked about friction. I wondered about how fast a toy car would go across a rug.
Like scientists, we recorded our observations along the way. Between our experiments and researching other sources, we had a new understanding of our wonder question. This allowed us to use all of our data to write a lab report. In our lab reports, we included a hypothesis, then a procedure page, and a conclusion.
We did an experiment on friction. I observed that the car went faster on the smooth tiles and slower on the rug.
After our lab reports, we focused on forces in motion. Our goal was to write an information book about our own topic and how it relates to forces in motion. For example,
I learned about gravity and my topic is gymnastics. If there's no gravity and you jump, you would stay in the air.
We used what we already knew in the stripling model of inquiry to research, taking notes about things like push and pull, friction and traction, helped us to show how force and motion can affect us in everyday life. We even included text features like a table of contents.
see some of the things we learned.
In skating, when you try to stop, your skate drags to stop.
I learned that traction is grip. Grip is how you hold onto something like a kickball trying to roll down a hill.
On the ground, friction slows things down. It also keeps things moving when they're in the air. Like grass gives the ball friction, but friction keeps the ball going in the air.